Several circumstances may occur which require special attention. First, if a task cannot start on the expected start date for any reason, such as a material delay or subcontractor issue, then be sure to call scheduling to report the issue. Scheduling will adjust the schedule accordingly. Likewise, call scheduling if you accidentally start a task that has not actually begun. They can correct the problem. If you discover that no subcontractor or vendor has been assigned to the task, or that the wrong organization has been assigned, then you will assign a resource yourself. We'll see how to do this shortly. If a task is nearly complete, and there is only a small amount of work left that will not impact any other task in the schedule, then feel free to set the task status to complete to close out the task. This approach does not apply to inspections. If an inspection has been scheduled, but the inspection has not yet been completed and reported upon in its entirety, then the task must remain open. Finally, if you forget to update a finish date for a task that has already occurred, you must retroactively update the task list to identify the actual finish date. Historically accurate information is very important, as past durations are used to calculate task durations for future projects. Inaccurate data, of any kind, can negatively affect future project success. Your attention to detail makes a huge difference. Let's take a look at how to retroactively update a task. Start, click Scheduling, then select the Task List menu item. Locate the task requiring modification, then click the task to open the Basics tab for the task. Scroll to the bottom of the Basics tab. If the task has been started, you will see an activity record with a start date. In this case, we did not start the task, so we must click Add Activity to do so. Identify the start date for the task in the First Date field. If this is a task that you forgot to start but that is currently underway, and you simply want to add the task to previously created daily logs, then you can enter an end date of today. If the task has already been completed, then simply enter a start date and click Create. As you can see, we now have a new record which allows us to identify a finish date. If this is a task that is currently underway, then enter the expected finish date and an accurate % complete. If this is a task that has already been completed, enter the actual finish date in the expected finish date field, then select Complete from the % complete drop-down. Click Update when finished.